Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about verb and its types. See friends, verbs are two types. They are transitive verb and intransitive verb. See what is called transitive and what is called intransitive. Let us discuss now. Transitive and intransitive. See friends, transitive is nothing but a verb which carries an object. Intransitive in the sense that a verb which doesn't carry any object. So, a transitive verb carries an object, an intransitive verb cannot carry any object. See, object in the sense that what is called object? See friends, either a person or a thing. Either a person or a thing is said to be an object. That means places are not considered as objects. See, persons and things only. These objects are again two types. They are direct objects and indirect objects. Direct objects and indirect objects. Direct object means, all the things come under direct object. Remaining all come under indirect object. That means people, persons, first person, second person, third person, all. Everything comes under. See, the things are considered as direct objects, and the non, that means other than things, are considered as indirect objects. That means all people are indirect objects and all things are direct objects. Let us observe now what are the direct objects and what are the indirect objects with examples. See friends, he bought a pen. See, he bought a pen. Here a pen is a thing, so it is direct object. See, he bought a pen for me. See here, a thing is there and a person is there. So here the thing is the direct object and the thing, person is the indirect object. See, when a direct object comes before indirect object, a preposition is must in between. Suppose he bought me a pen. He bought me a pen. Otherwise, he gave me a pen. See here, indirect object comes before a direct object. Then there is no preposition in between. This is the rule. Say, all the things are direct objects and people are indirect objects. When you write a direct object before indirect object, a preposition is a must. If you write indirect object before a direct object, no preposition is required. Please remember. And now see this one. All these verbs please observe. He bought a pen. Say this is the verb and object is there, so it is transitive. See, he gave me a pen. This is the verb and there is an object, so it is also transitive. But what are intransitive? Let us observe the intransitive also. Say she went to school. She went to school. See here, went is the verb and there is no object because it is a place. So she went to school. So when there is no object, it is intransitive. So another example, the child or the children are playing in the garden. The children are playing in the garden. See here, children are playing is the verb, in the garden is a place, so it is not object. So that are playing is intransitive. Intransitive. So like that we have to observe. I already told you, once again I tell you, an object is either a person or a thing. Don't forget it. Say object is either a person or thing. All things are direct objects. All things are direct objects. All people are indirect objects. Say when you write, say when a direct object comes before indirect object. If direct object comes before indirect object, say a preposition is important. Preposition must be there. If indirect object comes before direct object, no preposition is required. These points you have to remember. Okay friends, this is about transitive and intransitive, direct object and indirect object. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.